Hello guys, good evening. Yes, it's our final night here at El Nido and we are going back to Cebu City. Back to reality, back to reality. Actually, we were here because we celebrated my birthday and it's my 18th birthday and it's like it's my 28th birthday and I'm really happy that we celebrated here. So maybe by November in Tot's birthday, that's November 19, that period Tot will be the one who will spend for her for our child.
You're joking. I spent a lot in your birthday and that's gonna equal with me.
But anyway guys, we would like to thank everyone so much for the views, the share, the likes, and the subscribes in our YouTube channel. And we really appreciate that much effort, especially when you watch our 10 minutes video or less. And to sum up everything at El Nido, at the first day here, that was August 1 of 2017, we arrived at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Tapos at 3 p.m. we decided to go town or bayan and then we looked for some places. Actually, we tried some food and El Nido is really a rip-off place. You know, you can't come here without any budget. So if you are on budget and you're planning to travel to El Nido, probably it's not advisable. But if you have a budget, lots and lots of budgets, you are welcome here at El Nido. If you want to spend at least 200 pesos per person on a dinner alone, you are welcome here in El Nido because I'm not sure how to say it. I know I'm not finished talking yet, okay, but there are some places like Carinderia, and Carinderia is like 50 pesos per order, and that's only the ulam or the viand or the ulam, and rice comes with about, I'm not sure, about 15 to 20 pesos, still cheaper than the restaurant type. You know, the restaurant types here in I could say it's overpriced because let's compare it to Penong's. For example, in Penong's you can spend around 250. That's already the both of you na siguro. 2 persons na yun siya. But here, you have to spend, if you want to experience the restaurants or high-end foods, and it's not totally that high-end, probably you're gonna have to spend around 500 pesos. That's only for one meal. But they have something to offer like other mga karinderya type, yung like what I mentioned earlier. It's quite cheaper than the restaurant types of food. So after our visit at the market, we took a nap because we are scheduled on the next day. That's August 3 of 2017, and it's my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday. So during my birthday, that's on August 3, we spend tawag nito island hopping. That's tour A. Supposedly we should visit Small Lagoon, Big Lagoon, Shimizu Island for lunch, Seven Commando Beach, and the Secret Beach. But the thing is, Secret Lagoon. But the weather doesn't permit us. It's kind of windy. The waves are a bit harsh, so we were not able to proceed at the Secret Lagoon. But we improvised. Kuya and the other crew of our travel team around lahat overall decided to drop by to Papaya Beach, which is a nice beach din. It's a nice beach. It's a decent beach. And the thing is, sayang lang this we were not able to drop by the Secret Lagoon, but it's fine. Maybe sometimes, guys, just an advice, if you want to visit tawag na to, El Nido, it's probably good to visit during April and May because of the weather. And then after we took a rest. We took a rest and we stayed here at tawag nito, at dormitels.ph. Dormitels.ph is really an advisable place to stay, knowing that we spend around 800 per night to stay on this decent room. Yep, it's a small decent room with a clean bathroom, good AC, air conditioning, and a small TV. It's already a good deal for us, you know, especially if you are on budget. We are on budget actually. It's a walking, maybe about 20 to 30 meters going to Porong Beach, which gives you a nice view of the ocean. No, a lot of this in this compound there are actually Eco Hotel, Dormitels, and there's one I forgot what it's called, but it's totally worth it. On the August 4th, that's today actually, August 4th, at around 10 a.m. in the morning. After 10 a.m. in the morning, I went to a shop to rent a motorcycle, and we have it for 400 pesos only. Supposedly it's 500, as far as I know it's 500 mostly, but we were able to haggle it to 400, and then we bought a travel bag or dry bag. That was 100 pesos for the gasoline, and we went to Nakpan Beach. Actually, it was the best experience ever because, you know, I haven't driven a motorcycle on a highway before, but knowing that it's a motorcycle, the motorcycle is quite, it's automatic, so it was not hard for me to drive it along the highway. So we went for about 22 kilometers going to Nakpan and another 3 kilometers going inside Nakpan, rough road plus muddy road. In fact, na-disgrasya me. In fact, we stumbled and I got this. It's painful. It's a remembrance of our being and of us being adventurous or laagan. So guys, after that, we went back to the hotel for here at the hotel for our lunch. It's actually brunch, but we fell asleep after. We were not able to enjoy our motorcycle ride since it's raining bad. And by the way guys, during our motorcycle ride going to Nakpan and back and forth back here at the hotel, it was raining hard and it was like freezing while driving motorcycle. I was like, dude, it's so cold. But we survived. It was an amazing adventure. So that's all. That's all we've done here at the El Nido. And after that, we went back to the town in this evening to get some souvenirs. We were not able to make a video of that, but it's fine. So that's all we've done here at El Nido. The thing is, whenever you have time, give yourself and your loved one travel to Laag. You know, we are not here in this world just. This is Totz, and this is Totz. We are Totz. Buy and watch our videos. It's fun. And if you don't like our video, just don't like our page. Just don't subscribe on our YouTube channel.
But you can.
But thank you so much if you would. We would really appreciate that. That's a very big achievement for us. And we will not stop giving you details on our travels. Thank you so much guys. I hope you will subscribe on our channel, like our videos, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much. This is Laag ni Totz signing out. But the next time, maglaag na punta.